Yes, good evening all. Today's topic we are going to know about norms, eigen decomposition and singular value decomposition. So today we'll just discuss about only two topics, norms and what is eigen decomposition. Fine. So before we go to norms, so what is a scalar and vector? So last session we had discussed about this two topic, scalars, vector. Just to have a clear idea about what is scalars and what is vector, I've kept this slide. So we all know a scalar has only magnitude, right? And vector has both magnitude and direction as well. So what are all the scalar quantity? So what are the examples? So as I said, it has only the magnitude, and vector has both magnitude, and you see the arrowhead, it has both magnitude and the direction. So it represents the volume, the breadth. Okay, so the measurable quantity, how will you measure the scalar? Length, you can even measure the length, area, volume, speed, mass, density, pressure, temperature. These are all the examples of scalar quantity. How will you measure the vector quantity? Which has both the magnitude and direction as well. So displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, lift, drag, etc. Weight, even the weight calculation. So this all you can measure by, these are all the examples you can, these are all the quantities that you can measure by using the vector. So, both scalars and vector, we are going to use these in deep learning for calculating the numerical inputs or numerical values. In order, if you want to calculate the area, we use for scalar. If you want to calculate the velocity, we'll use the vector values. So, for those purpose, we have the scalars and vectors are there in deep learning. So, norms. In short, we have a name, norms. This is your third topic in the syllabus. Uh, Machine learning, you must have studied normalization, right? Or a small topic when discuss normalization. You need to make your output in a normalized way. What is that normalized way? Can anyone say what is the normalized output? What is the meaning of normalized output? In your area also, you are from mechanical or you are from electronics. So normalized output na enna? Output எப்படி இருக்கணும்?
டிஃப்ரெண்ட் யூனிட்ஸில் வரதை ஒரே யூனிட்டில் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறோம்.
Yes, different units ல வரது ஒரே unit. Can I say this can be, you can change the values of the parameters, x, y parameters இருக்கு. If I change the values of the parameter, can I get the normalized output? Parameter values Matthew, or when I boost the values of x and y, I should get a normalized output. Can I do that? That is possible in machine learning. Machine learning will be increasing the parameter values. So because the main ultimate objective machine learning 100% or almost 100% almost 97-98% accuracy we need. Sometimes when we train with the data set, we will not get that accuracy. We will go for normalizing. So normalize parameter, change the values, increase the value or decrease the value of x and y, normalize panni, we will get the output. The same concept here. So normalization, to get the accuracy of the output, we are going to use the concept norms. Say the norms we are using in deep learning, but here machine learning, okay, we are going to normalize the output to improve the accuracy. In deep learning, norms is a function. Just we'll be using this function in um, Python coding la we can use this. You can call the function. We will always call the function to perform some task, right? So you can call this norms function. It mainly, what is this function will do when you use this in Python code? It measures the size of vector, matrix or tensor. we had already discussed vector, what is a vector, what is a matrix, or what is tensor. Tensor for mainly எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம்? What is the purpose of using tensor? First class or second class we had discussed. Tensor is mainly used for numerical, used for calculating the numerical values, uh, mainly in the form of matrices. So அது வந்து நான் சொன்னேன். So again I will explain in detail about this tensor. I told you to install TensorFlow, right? So I'll give you the steps. You can do the installation of TensorFlow. So here it is a function. Okay, deep learning norms are a class of functions which measures the size of vector, matrix or tensor. So what is the definition of norm? It's a function that maps a vector to positive value. See, same like always the values should be a positive. Should be a positive. So how we do normalization, change the values, or as he said, different units, we are converting it into the same unit, normalized way. Here, everything, because we should take a positive value. So it maps a vector value to positive. Okay, maybe representing either the length, vector length, or the magnitude. Okay, so the output learner, you need to take a positive value. So we are going to use the function norms. Sometimes if we did not get a positive, sometimes நமக்கு ஒரு negative value வந்திருக்கு. What we can do, you can apply the norms function, then convert it into the positive value. Okay, எப்போ negative value வரும்? You see, if you take any network, data transmit பண்ணுச்சு அப்படின்னா you will get the proper output.